Hey guys, thank you for clicking on the video today, whatever day that is when it drops in the future. I always appreciate that. We have an updated review for the company known as Mythical Beards. Now, this is my third time covering this company. The first time was under their previous name. I just recently covered their changes, and now they have another video with even more changes. If there's something that I love in a company, the community loves in a company, it's a company that listens to the consumer, listens to the community, makes the adjustments, and keeps getting better. And Mythical Beards is doing that. They took things from my last review video, changed them, and said, we want to get this out to you. We want to update everybody because we are always striving to get better. I love that with a passion. Now, I'm not going to be joined by Sam C this time. She was with us last time, and this is like the third video in a row where she has not broken down the scents, and I'm like, man, I feel weird about this, but this one only has 2 new scents again, and she didn't love really either of them, so there wasn't like a huge reason to bring her in, but I do have some special guests that will be joining us, so make sure you stay tuned for that. All right, we're going to check out the intro. I'm going to give you some information. We'll check in with the guest, and we'll come back and wrap it up. Let's get to those changes. The first one, they now have an EMU, I know I say it wrong, EMU oil blend option. They still have the original oil, so if you're a lover of this company and what they do, don't worry, that's still there, but they have added in this new option. It is 50% EMU in their oil and in their butter, and yes, I have their beard butter, I believe for the first time for me to try. So first off, let me show you, I have 3 scents here. I'll show you the one I've used the most, the unscented, and this is with their 50% EMU oil, and then the other carriers that we have here would be jojoba, argan, castor, avocado, and then the mix of essential and fragrance oils. Now, a second change that I'm gonna get to in just a second is they listen to my video on the labels. These are still not perfect. They're not exactly done yet. He's been making some adjustments, kind of editing along the way, but they have made the ingredients so much easier to read. If you remember on the last one, I was like, oh man, I can barely even read some of these, and I had to go to my phone or I had to pick up the website. He was like, done, got it, put it on there, made those adjustments. So let me show you what this oil looks like first off, because I think I love the look of ostrich and emu oil. It gives it that cloudiness, that milkiness. Now, something that's super unique with those bird oils, right? They actually come from those birds, is they kind of feel thick in hand, right? They feel like there's some body to them, but they act in such a uniquely thin way. They absorb quickly and they leave your beard feeling light and fresh. I love that feeling once in a while. Emu and ostrich oil is not an everyday thing for me, but I do love to insert it maybe 2-3 times a week to really soften my beard. It does a wonderful job, and this is no different. It leaves that beard just feeling light and refreshed, especially if you guys feel like you had been too heavy on the products or you just have felt off with your styling. Go with a day where maybe you just wash your beard and then throw in this EMU oil blend or any good EMU ostrich oil, and I guarantee your beard is just gonna feel light and refreshed afterwards. It is awesome. I really enjoy this blend. I like their original, but if I could only keep one for the rest of my life, it would be this new 50% EMU blend that they have. Now, going into that, they now have this butter that is in my hands. This is also from the EMU line. I just hate saying that word. I don't know why. I just really hate saying that word. In this butter, I am a light butter fan. I don't like a lot of hold. I don't like a lot of body and styling to my butter. Lighter the better. This might be the lightest butter that I have ever used. Let me show you guys this. I mean, it melts like on contact. Like literally it's going away here. Now, there is good and bad to this. The good is I still get that nourishment. I still get that light, refreshing feel that I get from the oil. And when I'm going to bed, especially when I'm lazy, especially when I'm tired, which I talk about a lot, but it's true. I'm just giving you guys an image into my brain. It's going to be 12, 1, 2, whatever time I'm going to bed after working hard. I just want to go to bed, but I also know the value of taking care of my beard, so I do that night routine, but I don't want to have to battle. I don't want to have to work. This is just instant into my beard. Now, the bad side, the only thing that worries me is I received this in a cool Michigan winter, ending kind of near spring, but still winter, and there's no issues there. The one thing I would caution this company is I would really consider how you're going to ship this and what precautions you're going to take, because it's not going to take a lot of heat at all to turn this to a straight up liquid, and especially being in a tin there. So something just to consider and think about. And I only say that in this video because this company is so open to criticism, right? Not in a bad way, not in a negative way. You grow from that criticism, and that would be one thing that I would say is think about how you get this to the consumer in the best way possible, because I love how light it is. There's tons of butters I love out there, but this lightness, this is unique and something that will have a spot in my rotation because of how easy it is to use and because of the way it makes my beard feel. Now, same kind of thing here. This is not the exact finished label, I believe. At least I think he said this was kind of the prototype, but he is experimenting with getting the label and the logo and everything on here bigger, brighter, just more detailed, and I love it. That was just such a small thing that I had to point out, but he was like, no, that stuck with me. You were right. We want to make those adjustments. So they've changed the labels. They've changed and added a new blend. I think they've made adjustments to their website. They've added new scents. This company is truly listening. Now, I think the last thing I have before we wrap everything up is the price. I believe listed on the website, the EMU Oil is $19.50, right? And it's a more expensive ingredient, so that makes sense. But we do have a discount code. This is not an affiliate. I do not have any commission on this, but I'll put it up over here. It is DanC15 to save you 15%. That code, at least for this month, does stack with whatever deals he has going on. I believe right now in the month of March, which you only have about a week left of that month when this video drops live, will save you 20% additionally. So his whole thing right now is marked off 20%, and you can use the additional 15%. So if you were thinking about trying this company, they've been on your wish list, you saw the last video and you were kind of on the fence, now this is like, you know what, I got to do it. Whoa, that's 20% and then an additional 15. Really good time to consider trying them. All right, guys, we don't have Sam C, aka Mom, but we do have two replacements today. What is your name?
Maddox.
Maddox Theodore Command. What is your name?
Jackson, the man.
Jackson Bryan Command, and they're going to help us out. We only have 2 cents to go over today. I don't know why, but I've had a series of reviews that have only been 1 or 2 cents, so to bring Sam in just doesn't make a whole lot of sense with trying to take her away from Violet and everything. But we were just smelling these upstairs, and Sam didn't like one of them and was okay with the other. But Maddox wanted to smell, and he loved one of them. So that's where we're going to get started here, okay? So the first one that we're going to go over today is Mr. Hyde, and this is Peanut Butter Cup. Peanut Butter Cup. And Maddox said what it smelled like without me even saying any of the details for him. So Maddox, you smell first here.
Smell like chocolate.
And did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is the one that Sam, aka Mom, did not like, and Maddox was like, what? That smells like chocolate. It smells great. Jax?
Yummy.
You like that one?
That want me to have candy for movie night.
We are going to have movie night. What are we watching tonight?
Aladdin.
Aladdin, because we are getting ready to go to... Where are we going?
Disney World.
Disney World, that's right. All right, and so then the other one that we have here, you guys looking at the circle, looking at the camera? All right, here we go. The other one that we have is Dr. Jekyll, and this is a lavender and clementine. So tell me how this smells to you.
Oh, they smell like lemon.
Like lemons? Very close. A clementine is like an orange. Good job, Maddox.
I almost get orange.
It smells like oranges? Okay. Yeah, and so
one more time.
Yep.
We do. It do smell like a lemon.
Yeah, it does have some lemon-likeness to it. It really does.
Orange apple there.
Yep. So the peanut butter cup is not for Samurai. I don't like that scent. The boys would love for me to wear it in beard. But this one is really light. It's really nice, really fresh. It is that lavender, that clementine, pretty much like an orange lavender with some citrus, like Maddox said, in there, lemon. So that one's really good. So if you guys had to pick one for me to wear today, would you pick the peanut butter cup or the peanut butter cup? Jax, which one would you pick? You would pick the orange smelling one? Oh, we got a debate. I'm going to break the tie, and I am going with the orange smelling one there.
Yay!
All right. Hey, any last things that you want to tell these bearded people over here, Maddox?
Bye. And hope you guys love Aladdin.
You love Aladdin? Oh, you blowing him a kiss? That's nice. All right, on count 3, let's say bye.
Dad had too many hats in him too.
I got too many hats? I can never have too many hats. Jeez. All right, count 3, let's say bye. 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Hope you have a good morning.
Aw, that's nice.
Bye.
Let's wrap this thing up. First off, we have a great discount code plus any monthly sale that is going on. Secondly, there is a wonderful new EMU blend for an oil and butter. Both are very light and nourishing, but do the beard great. I know you guys will be excited to try those, or let us know if you have already. Third thing is new scents. I know this video did not do the scent profiles justice when we're talking about the company as a whole, but literally just a month or two ago, Samsi and I were in the studio in video breaking down many more scents than that. And of course, you should always peruse the scent profiles that they offer. They have some great ones. And then lastly, this is that company that is adjusting. They are making moves. They are listening and they are getting bigger and better. This is not just a hobby to them. They want to get big, which is great for the company and the consumer. So please, I know a lot of you left a lot of great feedback last time, but maybe some of you ordered from the last video, you've had an experience in the meantime, and you can leave a new comment now. I would love that. If you've tried this company, please give your thoughts. Please give your recommendations. Is there a scent you love? Is there an oil? Is there a product, a blend that really strikes your fancy? Let us know down in the comments. Yes, I said strikes your fancy. Thank you guys for watching. As always, Dan C. Bearded, stay bearded and stay positive.